This is MobileTech 7.0 installation instructions. First saying, make sure you delete MobileTech 6. That is the app with the red. MobileTech 6 is red. To delete, hold down on the app until it wiggles, hit the X, and then confirm deletion when the window pops up. Do that on your iPhone as well as your iPad. Once MobileTech 6 is deleted, we need to install 7. The easiest way to do that is to go to the comp portal. If you don't see that on your home screen, open up the search bar, type in COMP, and you'll have Comp Portal under the applications. Open up Comp Portal and you will have MobileTech 7 right here. This says 6 because we haven't released 7 yet. By the time you see this video, 7 will be there. Open up 7, click Install. It'll turn gray. It may come back to full install. That's okay. Wait about 2 minutes and you will see MobileTech 7 installing on your home screen. It's this orange icon here. Once it's there and it's done installing, open up 7. You'll have a setup screen. Put in that URL that was emailed to you, not this one. Don't copy this URL. It'll be your URL that came through. It may also be in your notes folder from when you hired on under MobileTech Setup Info. Type in your McDonald Miller email. Password is mobile, M-O-B-I-L-E. Turn on save password. Do not change the sync dates. Leave the sync dates exactly where they are for now. When you're done, hit sync. It'll sync and you will be presented with this screen here. Once you're here, go into setup. Change your sync dates. We're going to put those at October 4th. And we're going to put those at October 24th. 10 days forward, 10 days back. You're also going to click connect. You're going to put in your McDonald Miller email. The password is Miller with a capital M00, Miller00. Hit the arrow and it'll sign you in. Once you're in, your name will show up here. These guys stay the same. Leave that guy off. Password should be on. Everything else stays the same. Hit save and you are good to go. Great job. Congratulations and thank you.